What it do? What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Big Shark J bringing y'all a brand new video. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make the perfect YouTube thumbnail. Thumbnails are the first thing people see when scrolling through YouTube, and they're one of the most important parts of a video. I'm going to teach you guys how to make the perfect thumbnail in 3 simple steps. Let's get into it. Alright, the first tip I'm going to give you guys is to find an editing program you're comfortable with. For me personally, I use Adobe Express. It's very easy, very straightforward, and I've created a bunch of thumbnails with it. Other people can prefer Adobe Photoshop or Adobe Illustrator, but personally, I prefer Adobe Express. It's very easy. I've been using the free trial for like 4 months now. But yeah, man, Adobe Express is real easy. I just made the thumbnail for this video using it, and it's just the perfect one. So that's my first tip. Find something you're comfortable with, go from there, and yeah, let's get into tip number 2. Alright, for tip number 2, I'm going to tell you 2 things. Make it realistic and make it interesting. If you look at Mr. Beast here, every single one of his titles and his videos, the thumbnail matches exactly what the video is talking about. And you see some of his best videos here. I spent 50 hours buried alive, solitary confinement. They're very realistic to what the video is about, and they also are very, interesting as to what the video is. All these will make me want to click on the video. The hotel room, $1 million hotel room, and there's a Lamborghini. Everything is interesting, but it's also realistic. You need to keep it realistic because you don't want somebody clicking your video and you're portraying a whole different thing from your thumbnail. So just keep it realistic, but also keep it interesting. And yeah, man, let's get into step number 3. Alright, the third and final tip I'm going to tell you guys about is make the thumbnails directed to an audience, not an algorithm. And you're saying, what do you mean by that?
What do you mean by that?
Well, most of the people that tell you about YouTube and things like that will tell you it's all about an algorithm, which yes, it is. But at the end of the day, it's people that scroll YouTube. So you need to make it pointed to an audience. Make it to where a person would want to click on your thumbnail. Think about what your friend or maybe your brother or sister, think about what they want to see. So that's what you should point your thumbnails towards, an audience. Make it to where someone would want to click on it. Look at Tim the Tap Man right here. He has the video right here, and it's colorful. It's only up, and his face is like, whoa. And that's one of his best videos, Like, you'll see a lot of really big YouTubers, they're putting their face in the thumbnail like, oh, and like, you know what I'm saying? It's like a lot of that, and at the end of the day, they're pointing it towards an audience because a person is going to want to click a video where they see somebody being enthusiastic because that makes them curious, and they're going to click on it just out of curiosity. So yeah, man, the third and final tip, I'd say make it more about your audience instead of an algorithm. And yeah, man, it's been the Big Shark. I'll say I appreciate you guys watching. Subscribe for a cookie, and yeah, man, peace.